Hi guys, good morning. So in this tutorial, we will see toggle button. So like switch, one more button is there similar like that. That is a toggle. So just I drag and drop the toggle. So right now, previously when before the switch, mostly we are using toggle, but now only few people are using the toggle. Most of the people are using the toggle. So that how this will come, we will see here. So just I drag and drop here toggle button. It should be like it is also for on and off only. So how that UI will see here, just it's looking like a button. On button top of the name, it should having that on and off name. So automatically that on and off name means we can change here. So on and off status based on the condition. So that we will see here now how it will come. So just I run this program. Once this is run, we will see that output and then we will continue. See here, on and off like this. So for this, we will apply the listener. So this is also text. It has having the property text. So we can apply all text properties. So now I'll write this binding dot. So toggle button dot set unchecked change listener. So for this also about same listener. Just is this is also I'm writing the based on the if else condition. So but here I'll write this T on T off. That's it. Just I'm changing that. So now I'm running this. Now T on T off like this. Okay, so this is the toggle button. Thank you for watching this.